What is going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily make money with Google Sheets and affiliate marketing. This is a super easy method where you can get started immediately. So within the next hour, you can have a site ready and you can start making money, or you can go out and build multiple sites. It's really up to you which path you take. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pick a niche, okay? If you already know what kind of niche you're going to be working with, that is fine, right? But if you're on the fence, you're not sure, you need a list of niches, one of the best places to pick a niche is by going to Amazon. And here you can look at bestsellers, you can click all, you can shop by department, you can shop by, different area. Look at this, all of these are different niches. Me personally, I like to work with these so-called boring niches, right? I like to work with niches that kind of fly under the radar. Nobody really pays attention to them, and as a result, they are approved. In many cases, nobody really, hassles you for them, and so that is what we're going to be working today. And so another thing you guys can do before we go to the next step is that you can also Google good niches for Amazon affiliate marketing, or just affiliate marketing. It does not need to be Amazon, right? And here you can have a list of various niches and you have a lot of ideas. Now, before we go to the next step, let me show you something very important. You want to Google for the so-called Copy Tables Chrome plugin, okay? It's a very simple plugin. If you type this query, you can just open this thing right here. And as you can see, it says here, remove from Chrome, and that is because I already have it installed. It's a free plugin and it only works with the Chrome browser. So like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or these kinds of browsers, okay? And so once you are on this page, you can just hit this button. It's going to say add to Chrome. You're going to install it, and now we can go to the next phase. All right, so let's say you picked a niche, okay? You know what the niche, maybe you want to do electric bicycles, maybe you want to do computers, maybe you want to do tables, chairs. Anything that has anything that you're basically interested in. All right, so here I have vacuum cleaners. So like I said, I like to go for boring niches. For me, it's a lot better because everybody needs a vacuum cleaner and nobody really hassles you for promoting vacuum cleaners, right? It's not a very racy niche. It's not a very controversial niche, and when you're starting out, you don't really want to do controversial and racy stuff. So vacuum cleaners is perfect. So what you want to do is you want to type this into Google, vacuum cleaners comparison table, all right? And you want a comparison table. You do not want, a review article. You do not want like a top 10 list. You want an actual comparison table. So let's open these up one by one so we can judge each of these pages if this is good. So this is exactly what you want, okay? This is going to work. Let me open a couple of more listings and tell you if it's going to be a good fit for us or if it will not be a good fit for us. So let's open the second result. So here's the second result. So this is not a good fit. As you can see, it's kind of a list. It says here comparison table, but it's not a comparison table. There's no table here, right? It's 1, 2, 3. So this is a poor candidate for what we were trying to do. We're going to close this page. We're going to go back. How about this one? This third result, is this going to be a good fit? And it's also not going to be a good fit because it's not a table again. Why are these on the first page of Google, right? It's just top 10 picks, and then I have a very a quick summary. That's not a good fit for us, guys. Very important, all right? Let's try one more page, and then we're going to go back to that first one. So this is the fourth result, and this is also not a good fit. Because these are, it's a table, but I have to click on the result to get more data. Whereas on this first result, I don't have to click anywhere. I see a table and I see comparison. So this is perfect. Now, once we found what we want, the next step is you want to take a look at this comparison table and you want to make sure it's in the right format. Okay, so let me explain. You see the products here, they are columns and the specs are rows. This is not what you want. You want it the other way around. You want the products to be rows and the column and the specs to be columns. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to click anywhere here. We're going to right click. We're going to go to table. This is that copy tables plugin. And we're going to go to copy and we're going to say CSV swap. If it was in the right format, which means the products were listed as rows, and the specs as columns, you can just do CSV. But we're going to be doing CSV swap, and now it copied it in the perfect format that we want. All right. Once we copy that, you want to go into Google Sheets. Everybody has a free account. It comes with your Google account. All right. We're going to start a new spreadsheet here. We're going to do that. We're going to wait for it to load. And once we're here, we're going to call this vacuum cleaners. Okay. Next, we're going to press Command V, and this is what we're going to be getting as the result. Okay. As you can see, it's essentially a bunch of rows separated by a comma. This is what CSV means. And what you want to do is you want to select these rows. You want to go into Format. You want to go into Data, and you want to do split text to columns. Once we do that, you now have the data here. Now, you want to take a quick look at this data. So, for instance, view price on Amazon, we really can't do anything with it. We're going to delete this column. And all we're going to do is, so there's a lot of things and has these this dot here. We don't really want that, so we're going to delete it. We're going to delete all that. Yeah, we're losing a bunch of data, and you can add that later if you want. All you can do is just click here, insert column to the right, and you can just add more stuff if you want. But for now, we have the data that's going to be suitable for us, and this is data we're going to be able to work with. All right, so now that you have this, you want to Google for a really good tool called SpreadSimple. You can just Google SpreadSimple, SpreadSimple.com. You are going to open it up. And another tool you can Google for is Pori.io. It's really up to you. Both of these tools are going to work perfectly fine. But I'm going to go into SpreadSimple, and I'm going to open it up. So I already have an account. Okay, it says here, Get Started. I already have an account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Get Started. So as you can see, I'm already logged in. And this is exactly what you're going to be seeing once you create your free account. What we're going to do is we're going to hit the plus button. And it says here, paste our Google Sheet link here. Now, before we do that, you want to click on Share. And you want to make sure that people can visit this spreadsheet using the link. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit Share, and I'm going to pick this option, Get Link. I'm going to copy this link so that way anyone with a link can open it. That way this tool can open it. We're going to go back to this tool. We're going to paste it, and we're going to hit Continue. Now, once I do that, I have here a simple page that has been generated from my spreadsheet. So all I need to do is just change it around. I have the name here. This is the name of the product. So for the subtitle, I can just go in here and pick Type. With bag, bagless, bagless. And then there's the price. Now, do we have the price? We do not have the price. It's not here. So what we need to do, guys, is we need to go in here. We need to do insert column to the right, and you can just type price. So let's say you know the prices, 99, 49, 50, 100, 1999. Once you do that, you're going to go back to this tool, and you're going to hit this refresh button. Okay? Now, you can pick the price. So when we go to price, this price is going to be here. And now the price is here. All right. So you also have classification. We're going to remove that. And then you just have the price here. So for the price, I'm going to make it dollars. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to select it. I'm going to choose this dollar. And then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to refresh. Okay. So now it's showing us with dollars. Now you can have as many specs here that you want. I mean, it's really up to you. So you have text, you have an image, you have all the stuff. Now, the most important thing is we need to get somebody to buy it. And for that, we need another column. Okay, and this is going to be insert column to the right. And this is going to be our link. This is going to be our affiliate link. So I'm just going to put CNN.com just as an example. Okay, I'm going to go in here. Okay, I'm going to put, actually, let's put another site, one of my favorite sites, macrumors.com. Just a quick idea here, okay? So we have that there. Now we're going to go back here. We're going to hit refresh to make sure this column is available. And we have a primary button setting. That is what we want. We're going to click on it. We're going to say label. And let's say you're doing Amazon or you're doing something else. It doesn't really matter what you're doing. I would just recommend people starting with Amazon because it's very reliable. It's proven you can get started with that. So you can say buy at Amazon or check price. Or, yeah, buy at Amazon since we already have the price. Link for redirect is going to be link, okay? And so now you have a button. So if I click on this button, it's going to redirect to Mac Rumors, right? But obviously, when you're starting out, that link is going to be your affiliate site. Now, guys, this is not end. We're not done yet. Take a look at this. You're going to go into the design here, and you can do homepage intro. You can change this. You can just click here, and you can search for household. Since we're kind of a household affiliate site, look at this. Look how beautiful that is. Maybe something like this. And now you have bring ideas to life. You can change that. Best vacuum cleaners in 2022. Page subtitle. We work, whatever. You can delete that. Make it nice and clean. I would probably delete that because that looks better. You can customize a lot of things here, right? You're not done yet. Don't be lazy. There are many things that you can customize. You can go into content. You can change the color of this, right? You can enable the button. So let's say we want to change the color. You can do maybe blue. My favorite color is blue. So let's do blue. That's a little bit. So maybe something like this. That looks kind of cool. All right. So that's kind of what we have. We can hit save. And at this point, you kind of have a site ready. Now, there's not a lot of products, so you may have to search around for a better comparison table, obviously, right? Because there's really not a lot of products. But to get started, this is kind of perfect, right? This is really, really nice way to get started. Then what you want to do, you want to hit publish, and you want to call it something. So I'm going to call it Vacuum Cleaners 2022, just so that I remember. I'm going to hit save. And now I can open it, and the site is live. All right, this is the site. Now, like I said, it's not a lot. It's not a lot of products. You may want to have maybe 25 products, and there are comparison tables in all kinds of niches that have a lot of products. So you can also search for products by typing in the product, and it's automatically going to filter the products. And then if you click on one of these links, it's going to redirect to the site that you want. I just put another site here. But this is going to be your affiliate link. Once you sign up with something like Amazon Affiliates, you can get those links. But it doesn't have to be Amazon Affiliates. It could be anything else. It could be, you can go, if you're promoting a single brand, you can just do affiliate marketing with them, right? So like, Dyson vacuum cleaners, right? You can just Google for that, and you can work directly with the company instead of going through Amazon, right? You can just scroll through, and you will be able to find affiliate marketing, right? They're gonna have an affiliate program somewhere. You might have to Google for it, right? So like vacuum affiliate program. If they have it, you can just Google for it, and it's a participant. There you go, Dyson affiliate program, everything that you need to know. So there's all kinds of interesting niches. If you're gonna be doing a lot of things, you can just go with Amazon. If you're going to be doing a specific area, then I would recommend working with the brand and signing up for their affiliate program, because you're going to have a much more personal experience, personal customer support, customer service, and it's going to be a lot easier in that kind of respect. So it's really up to you. And another thing I want to tell you guys is that you don't have to build one site. You could build 100 sites. You can build 50 sites. You can just hit here, change your domain. You can have an official domain. There's all kinds of things that you can do. I know somebody that runs 50 affiliate sites, and they make like, $100 a month. When you combine it all, that's a lot of money, right? And so you can go anywhere you want to go. But I want to show you a simple way of building one so that you don't need to set up with like a hosting service, WordPress, and any of that, and kind of get bogged down with all these configuration and stuff like that. This is a lot easier to get started. And I really hope you've gotten value here. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet already.